Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. And now we will discuss about the right to education. The Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002 inserted Article 21A in the Constitution of India to provide free and compulsory education for all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right in such a manner as the state may by law determine. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, which represent the consequential legislation envisaged under Article 21A, means that every child has a right to full-time elementary education of satisfactory and equitable quality in a formal school which satisfy certain essential norms and the standard. Article 21A and the RTE came into the effect on 1st April 2010. The title of the RTE Act incorporates the word free and compulsory. Free education means that no child other than a child who has been admitted by his or her parents to a school which is not supported by appropriate government shall be liable to pay any kind of fee or charges or expenses which may prevent him or her from pursuing and completing elementary education. Compulsory education casts an obligation on the appropriate government and local authorities to provide and ensure admission, attendance, and completion of elementary education by all children in the 6 to 14 age group. With this, India has moved forward to a right-based framework that casts a legal obligation on the central and state government to implement this fundamental child right as enshrined in the Article 21A of the Constitution in accordance with the provision of the RTE Act. The RTE Act provides for the right of children to free and compulsory education till completion of elementary education in a neighborhood school. Second, it clarifies that compulsory education means obligation of the appropriate government to provide free elementary education and ensure compulsory admission, attendance, and completion of elementary education to every child in the 6 to 14 age group. Free means that no child shall be liable to pay any kind of fee or charges or expenses which may prevent him or her from pursuing and completing elementary education. Next point, it makes provision for a non-admitted child to be admitted to an age-appropriate class. It specifies the duties and responsibility of appropriate government, local authority and parents in providing free and compulsory education and sharing of financial and other responsibility between the central and state governments. It laid down the norm and standard relating inter alia to pupil teacher ratio, building an infrastructure, school working day or teaching working hours. It provides for rational deployment of teachers by ensuring that the specified pupil-teacher ratio is maintained for each school rather than just as an average for the state or district or block, thus ensuring that there is no urban-rural imbalance in teacher posting. No, it also provides for prohibition of deployment of teacher for non-educational work other than decennial census, election to local authorities, state legislature and parliament, and disaster itself. It provides for appointment of appropriately trained teacher, that is, teacher with requisite entry and academic qualification. It provides for appointment of appropriately trained teachers, that is, teacher with a requisite entry and academic qualification. It prohibits physical punishment and mental harassment, screening procedure for admission of the children, capitation fee, private tuition by the teachers, and running of school without recognition. It provides for development of curriculum in the consonance with the value enshrined in the Constitution, and which would ensure the all-round development of the child, building on the child knowledge, potentiality and talent, and making the child free of fear, trauma and anxiety through a system of child-friendly and child-centered learning. This is all about the RTE, Right to Education. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you very much.